Namaste and a warm welcome, my dear viewers. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Business Brothers. I am your host, Avir De, and today we embark on a journey that's close to every Indian's heart. Today, we dive into the extraordinary story of resilience, innovation, and the spirit of Make in India. Before we delve into the specifics, let's understand what the Make in India campaign is all about. Launched in 2014. This initiative was envisioned by the Government of India to encourage both domestic and foreign companies to manufacture their products within the country. The primary goal of Make in India is to make India a global manufacturing hub, create jobs and boost economic growth. It focuses on 25 key sectors, including automobiles, aerospace, defense, textiles, electronics, pharmaceuticals, and more. Now, let's dive into the key objectives and benefits of the Make in India campaign. The Make in India campaign has four main objectives. Number one, facilitate investment. It aims to simplify the investment process and create a business-friendly environment by removing unnecessary regulations and bureaucratic hurdles. Number two, foster innovation. The campaign encourages research and development activities, promotes technology upgradation, and supports innovation in various sectors. Number third, enhance skill development. Make in India focuses on developing a skilled workforce to meet the demands of the growing manufacturing sector. It promotes vocational trainings and collaborations between industry and educational institutions. Number four, ensure sustainability. The campaign emphasizes sustainable manufacturing practices, energy efficiency, and environment-friendly production process. The Make in India campaign has numerous benefits, both for the Indian economy and foreign companies. Number one, job creation. By attracting investment and promoting manufacturing, the campaign generates employment opportunities for millions of people across various sectors. Number two, economic growth. The growth of the manufacturing sector contributes significantly to the overall economic growth of the country, boosting GDP and foreign exchange reserves. Number three, technology transfer. Foreign companies investing in India bring advanced technologies, which can be leveraged by domestic companies, lending to technology transfer and upgradation. Number four, export promotion. Make in India encourages export-oriented manufacturing, which helps in expanding India's exports basket and reducing trade deficit. The Make in India campaign has already yielded remarkable results. Let's take a look at some success stories. The automobile sector witnessed significant growth with international giants like Hyundai, Honda, and Suzuki establishing manufacturing plants in India. Today, India has become a major automobile manufacturing hub, exporting vehicles to various countries. The electronics and mobile manufacturing sector also experienced a remarkable boost. Companies like Samsung, Apple, and Xiaomi have set up manufacturing units in India, lending to job creation and reducing dependence on imports. Looking ahead, the Make in India campaign holds immense potential for the Indian economy. The campaign continues to attract foreign direct investments, with companies across the globe recognizing India's potential as a manufacturing destination. The government's continuous effort to improve ease of doing business further enhances India's attractiveness to investors. Make in India is expanding its focus to new sectors such as renewable energy, medical devices, and defense manufacturing. The campaign is also fostering innovation by supporting startups and promoting indigenous technologies. In conclusion, the Make in India campaign has been instrumental in transforming India's manufacturing landscape. It has boosted investment, created employment opportunities, and enhanced India's standing as a global manufacturing hub. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through the heart of the Make in India campaign. We have witnessed the inspiring stories and boundless potential of Indian entrepreneurship, from artisans to engineers. Let's continue standing united, igniting a flame of innovation that will illuminate the world. Stay inspired, stay ambitious, and make your mark on the world. This is Avid Day signing off.